Hello amazing people, today I'll be showing you how to make your own chicken nuggets at home. I mean a very amazing chicken nuggets. So stay tuned as we get ahead in the video. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so immediately and hit the notification icon so you don't miss out on any wonderful video. What do I say? Let's get right into the video. After washing your chicken, you have to add your salt. Use your discretion to know what works for you. Just salt to taste. Then you have to add your pepper, your grinded pepper, chili pepper preferably. But whatever you have, provided it's grinded pepper, it works well for you. Then you have to add your ginger paste and your stock cube. Here I'm using a quarter stock cube, so I don't like it so much, but do what works for you, but I'll suggest you use a quarter. Then you need 1 spoon of flour, all-purpose flour, and 3 spoons of cornflour. That's your cornflour there. Another spoon, and I added another spoon which is not shown in the video. Then you need just 1 egg to make it a marinade. Make sure your hand is properly washed, clean before you start mixing it up. So this is our marinade, which we have to keep aside for about 30 minutes before we get into the next process. So the next thing to do is to put our oil into the non-stick pan. If you have a non-stick pan, fine. If you don't have any, still fine, provided you have a pan to pour your oil deep enough to immerse your chicken marinade. So it has to be deep fried. So before we get along, I have to keep mixing this until it has everything incorporated into it. At this point, everything is now incorporated. So this is what you do to test if your oil is hot enough. At this point it's not. You don't want to do this. Just wait a little longer and it starts frying before you add the rest of them. Note that I took my time to place the chicken one after the other into the frying pan, and this is because I don't want them merging together. If you can watch carefully, you see that the marinade is all mashed up together, and if you pour it that way, that is the same way it's going to fry, so you have to separate them from each other. So you have to let it sit for a while, allow it to fry for a while. When it becomes stronger, you can turn. So don't get excited and start turning it immediately you add it. Just allow it sit for a while and allow it to get strong enough to turn. So at this point, it's so glaring that they've all separated from each other, so I can turn however I want to turn and stir however I want to stir. See, it's turning golden brown. Or I say golden pink or golden brown, whatever it is, it's looking beautiful. So here it is. At this point, our chicken nugget is ready to eat or ready to be used for any recipe that we so desire. So we are done with the chicken nuggets, and this is the exact recipe that I need this chicken nuggets for. You can eat it just like it is, and you can use it for every other recipe that you so desire. This is chicken in chili sauce, and you'll find it in another video. If this has helped you, if you like this video, if you've learned something new, please share. You can like, and if you've never subscribed to this channel, do subscribe to this channel and help this channel grow. Be a member of the family, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.